Hello guys, this is Kane. I'll be showing you all my Thomas minifigure things. So, I got this little car. Not much. This big box car. See how there's boxes? No longer boxes. No boxes. So those things, they just shut. That's how it was doing that. I think that's awesome. Then this box car, same thing. 2 box cars. Bash. I don't have the other twin to him. Over here is my Diesel Works. I don't have the other twin to him either. There Philip is. Diesel. I know his name. I know his name. Let me check. Paxton. Oh, yeah. I don't actually really know what his name is. I know this is a Thomas, but he has all that garbage and everything on him. So all I'm going to call him is a Dirty Thomas. Now here, plain old Thomas is. I don't have the twin to Ben. Victor, and that's Victor Great Splash. They're the same. I got Samson, Percy, Luke Beladen, Scarlet Louie, Porter, and Sir Handle. And as my surprise engine, on my Thomas videos, I will have a surprise engine. Surprise engine. So, surprise engine. There we are. So, goodbye.